Hello, I'm Ada, and today I'm presenting our new revolutionary development, the T-rail. T-rail is an innovation for all side hem-guided systems. Let's clarify first. What are side hem guide systems anyway? In most cases, these are vertical or window awnings, which are often known as zip screens, for example. A zip screen is a wind-resistant textile that runs in lateral guide rails. To allow the textile to run in these guide rails, a conventional zipper is attached to the edges of most textiles. And this is exactly where the problem lies. The zipper was developed for the clothing industry to join two textiles together, but not for use in textile sunshading. Let's take a typical installation situation to explain the problem. For example, a textile in front of a floor-to-ceiling window with a fabric measuring 1.50 meters in width and 3 meters in height. The zipper is therefore attached to the 3-meter-long side. If we now wind up the fabric together with the zipper, the following picture emerges. The reason is that the chain of the zipper is thicker than the fabric, resulting in a larger winding diameter for each additional turn. Manufacturers therefore try to give the zipper more space at both ends of the shaft. However, this is only possible to a limited extent with smaller shaft diameters. The increasing winding diameter of the zipper compared to the textile and the space of the shortened fabric shaft can lead to overstretching and deformation in the edge area of the textile. The solution: T-rail. With our T-rail, we achieve a clean and even winding of the textile without thickening in the edge area and without having to shorten the fabric shaft. Let's take a look at a direct comparison of the winding behavior of a standard system, here on the left, and a T-rail system, here on the right. Winding around much smaller cloth shafts is now possible and is no longer a limiting factor. Depending on the type of fabric and system technology, box sizes can be reduced by up to 50%. Limitations in terms of size, installation situation, and aesthetic aspects suddenly become opportunities, possibilities, and solutions. The patented system works as follows. The T-rail changes its shape and adapts to its task. When wound onto the fabric shaft, the T-rail is as flat as the fabric. When it is unwound, the metal inlet of the T-rail is set up in a T-shape via a guide in the side rail and then provides the necessary lateral support for the textile in the resilient inlet. The long-sought alternative to the zip. T-rail. Homogeneous winding behavior. No thickening during winding. Significantly smaller systems can be realized. Reduction of wrinkling. T-rail. An innovation from Glutex. We shade the future.